Opisyal ng parte ng MVP Group at Media Quest ang aktor na si Enrique Hill at ang kanyang kumpanya. Ngayon pa nga lang, may pinaghahandaan na silang mga pelikula. Narito po report. There's no stopping MVP Group and Media Quest. Pumirma na rin kasi ng kontrata ang heartthrob actor-producer na si Enrique Hill at ang kanyang Slingshot Studios.
We met Jane and Chenna in the NBA All-Star Weekend in Utah. And, it just kicked off from there. And, they offered to have a partnership with my company, Slingshot Studios, and to be able to partner up with, of course, Media Quest and the MVP Group. It's basically a no-brainer.
Nakatakdang gumawa si Enrique ng multiple film entries kasama ang MQuest Ventures. Kung matatandaan, last MMFF, well-received at highly awarded ang entries ng dalawang kampo. Kaya powerhouse collab ito at magsisimula na ang production this summer.
We have a movie right now. We're flying to Hong Kong to buy the rights to this really famous project.
But true to his roots, nadinig ni Enrique ang request ng fans na hinihiling na gumawa siya ulit ng rom-com. Sinagot din niya mga usap-usapan kung si Nadine Lustre nga ba talaga ang makakatambal niya sa isang upcoming project.
I heard about that too. Yeah.
Ano gusto mo? Sige. Parang magandang ano yun.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm open to work with anybody.